The bystander effect, the power of intervention in the face of inaction. In moments of crisis, it's often assumed that the presence of many bystanders would increase the chances of receiving immediate help. However, a social psychological phenomenon known as the bystander effect reveals a different reality. The bystander effect refers to the tendency of individuals to be less likely to assist or take action in emergency situations when others are present. This phenomenon, rooted in diffusion of responsibility, social influence, and evaluation apprehension, highlights the complexity of human behavior and the importance of understanding and addressing it. The Kitty Genovese case, a catalyst for understanding. The Kitty Genovese case in 1964 marks a turning point in the study of the bystander effect. Kitty Genovese was brutally attacked and murdered in New York City, while numerous witnesses allegedly stood by and did nothing to intervene or call for help. This case shocked the nation and spurred researchers to investigate why people would fail to assist someone in distress, leading to the discovery of the bystander effect. Diffusion of responsibility, a shared burden. One of the key factors contributing to the bystander effect is diffusion of responsibility. When a group of bystanders is present, individuals feel less personally responsible to take action because they assume someone else will step forward. This diffusion of responsibility can lead to a collective sense of apathy, resulting in inaction and delayed or absent assistance. Social influence, the power of conformity. In ambiguous situations, people tend to look to others for guidance on how to act. The presence of other bystanders can create a social influence that influences individual behavior. If others appear calm or unresponsive, individuals may interpret the situation as less urgent or may hesitate to act for fear of making a social mistake. This conformity to the inaction of others can perpetuate the bystander effect. Evaluation apprehension, fear of social judgment. Evaluation apprehension is another factor that contributes to the bystander effect. Individuals may worry about how their actions will be perceived by others, or fear embarrassment or judgment if they intervene. This concern about social evaluation can hinder people from taking action, as they weigh the potential risks and consequences of their actions against the perceived expectations of those around them. Mitigating the bystander effect, breaking the cycle. While the bystander effect reveals the distressing aspects of human behavior, researchers also identified ways to mitigate its influence. Taking proactive steps to address the bystander effect is crucial for fostering a society that prioritizes collective responsibility and assistance. One effective method is the presence of a responsible and assertive individual who takes the initiative to help. This breaks the diffusion of responsibility, prompts others to follow suit, and creates a sense of shared responsibility within the group. Clear and specific requests for help also increase the likelihood of bystander intervention. When a person in need directly asks for assistance, it leaves less room for ambiguity, reducing the diffusion of responsibility and increasing the chances of prompt action. Education and awareness programs can also play a vital role in combating the bystander effect. By providing knowledge about the phenomenon and its psychological underpinnings, individuals can be empowered to recognize and overcome the barriers that prevent them from intervening in emergency situations. In conclusion, the bystander effect exposes the sobering reality of human behavior in emergencies. The diffusion of responsibility, social influence, and evaluation apprehension can combine to create a collective paralysis that impedes timely and effective assistance. However, through understanding and addressing these factors, we can break the cycle of inaction. By fostering a sense of individual responsibility, encouraging proactive intervention, and promoting awareness, we can create a society that stands united against the bystander effect, ensuring that no one is left in distress without the help they need and deserve.